guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. I have got a projector and I've got a movie screen. And I love this time of year in the summer to be able to go out and watch movies in the evening. It's really cool. It's like having your own personal drive-in. Well, these folks reached out to me and they say that technology is moving along. They say that this thing is about twice as bright as the ones that I've reviewed in the past. And I will say, you have to wait until it's extremely dark outside before you can go watch a movie with the one that I have. It's not a huge deal, but this is supposedly much brighter looms, like flashlight looms. And I can't remember the spec off the top of my head, but we'll check it out when we open it up and check out the manual. However, I am looking forward to playing with this thing. I'm going to get it unboxed here. We'll wait till nighttime. And if it's not raining, which is kind of a, but with the magic of the internet, next time you see it, the inflatable movie screen will be inflated. We'll have this thing hooked up to one of those portable power packs and we'll be ready to watch something on the big screen. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and take a look at all of its little features and functions here on the desk. Well, it's definitely bigger. Holy cow, yeah. It's a lot bigger. Oh, and it's heavier too. Get that out of the way. There's a box down here. We'll take this, put it on the ground for right now. Yeah, so I would say it's about twice the size of the one that we are currently using to watch our movies on. And so twice our size, perhaps twice the brightness. I'm not sure how that actually works, but let's hope that's the case. Vizony, I think is the name. Autofocus. It is 1080p. And you can see here, big old-fashioned camera lens here. So I've never had one that autofocuses. Not sure how that's going to work, but it is a big lens. Big lens. I'm going to keep the cover on that for right now. Up top here, big power button. On each side, it does have a speaker. No adjustment on the bottom for, oh, yep, there is. So this right here, might not be able to see it too clearly, but that is to raise or lower the angle. And I hope it has like that correction for it. A little harder to see too, but there also is a place to put it on a tripod. Now I will say this thing is a lot heavier than the ones I'm used to playing with. On the back, LCD dustproof design. It has two HDMI ports in, an AV in, an earphone out, an IR for the remote, and two USB ports. So it's got a lot going on there. And the box it comes with here. Oh, awesome. Okay, so want to play a VHS or off of your camcorder or something that's an old analog like an Atari? Well, you can. And that's pretty darn cool. So it does have a connection for that. I really appreciate that. It did come with a good size HDMI cable, battery cable, and a remote. Nice looking remote here. No batteries, but two AAAs to get this thing fired up. And it looks pretty nice, simplistic remote here. Let's take a look at the manual real quick, and then it'll be time to wait till dark. Fully sealed engine, dustproof design, user's manual, it says here. 3-year warranty. Projector knowledge. Just talking about the stuff that I went through already. Then it talks about remote. So we can focus directly from the remote. That's cool. Focus up and down. Screen flip, mute key, menu key, confirmation key, source key, home key. I'm liking all this so far. Incorrect installation. So trapezoid adjustment, it does have that. Standard settings. So picture size 50-inch, aspect ratio. Okay, so it's talking about how far away. We have an 18-inch, or 18-foot, I'm sorry. So pretty large. And saying you can also hook it to the ceiling and place it upside down. So if you want to do a permanent install, you can do that. Auto focusing. Keystone correction. Gosh, this thing's just awesome. Oh, we can connect to Wi-Fi. So I have recently installed a server in my house that has all the videos on it that I've ever made over the years, plus movies and stuff that we've copied off of DVD onto that server. So I'll be able to watch movies without actually hooking anything to this if I want to. That's pretty neat. It is a full color. It also has Mirrorcast, iOS cast. Holy cow, I mean, it just keeps going. and then some troubleshooting. Awesome. And it is 27 pages, all in English. All right, so that's it. I mean, there's not a lot to this portion of it. Now we wait for dark. I'll set up the projector, we'll set this thing up, and we will see if it is really brighter than the competition. Let's do it. All right, well, due to bad weather, I had got to just go ahead and film this inside. You can see we're a little out adjustment, which is incredible. I think that nails it right there. Good Lord, is that a incredible screen. That is so perfect. Wow, is that sharp. So this is a huge step up from some of the stuff that I've looked at before. This is really crazy. Okay, let's see what we can get into. Let's go into settings here. And let's get the network set up. And we're going to go ahead and log into that. And I'll fast forward through this part. Movie. And Kingston is the name of the drive. And we're going to go into video and phone. And let's start off with something I know that is not copyrighted. Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. The fine folks over at Before we're coming up. So let me turn the volume down a little bit. Mid-rise scissor lift, and I'm working on my Volkswagen bus, taking the engine in and out, taking the transmission in and out. There's a lot of shifting of weight. The best way to protect yourself against a car shifting weight. Yeah, so hopefully you can hear that and hear me at this point, but the video quality here is stellar. I really wish I could show you. Turn the rest of the way down here. I really wish I could show you what a movie looks like on it, but due to copyright issues there, I don't want to do that. But let me also show you this. I got some drone footage from over the winter, and it's in pretty high definition as well. So let's just take a look at that real quick. The refresh rate's not as high as you would expect on this, but that's the camera's fault, not the projector's fault. But oh yeah, not disappointed. Also going to say, like, as this rolls here, this is clearly the brightest projector and the clearest projector I have ever reviewed, this being the 4th or 5th that I've reviewed. I think it's the 5th now. All of them have been kind of cool, everyone, you know, with their limitations. This is not a fully dark room, and without a doubt, this is the brightest. I can't wait, and I wish that I had had the time to be able to wait to put this out when we got a chance to do it on the big projector outside, because that's a 24-foot screen, or a 20-foot screen, I think it is. And to be able to show you this on that, I think would really make the difference because of brightness. And now we've enjoyed watching movies out there with what we have, but you know, you do have to wait till total darkness. I can see with this that would not be the case. Wouldn't have to go all the way in on it. So very awesome, very awesome. Cool. Well, I guess that'll do it. I'll certainly leave a link. It's the Vizony FHD1080P projector, and it is sharp. Boy, is that pretty. And I don't know about you, I'm getting ready to watch a movie because I want to try this thing out. Till next time, my friends, take care.